Hello and welcome once again. Today we are going to conclude this lesson, the story of tea. See the remaining part of the lesson. In most areas of China, the tea is made in small clay teapots. At tea ceremonies, cups are only half filled. The Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. In Russia, tea is made and served in samovars, a special Russian tea kettle made of metal. Vietnam produces special varieties of tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea. In Japan, tea is made using powdered green tea called matcha. The tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk and served in small bowls. In China, tea is made in small clay teapots, matichi bhandi. They have tea ceremonies for friendship and affection. They serve tea in a cup which are only half filled, and they believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. In Russia, tea is made in kettle made of metals. They called it samovars. Vietnam produces special varieties of tea such as lotus tea and jasmine tea. And in Japan, matcha means powdered green tea is made. What is powdered green tea? How it made? Tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk. Bamboo whisk means a stick of bamboo and served in a small bowls. And how about India? A cup of tea is offered to any guest or visitor as a token of hospitality, even in the humblest of homes. Humblest of homes. Most Indians like their tea hot with a good deal of milk and sugar in it. In the rainy season, it is brewed with ginger to give it additional medicinal properties. Others add spices like cardamom, cloves, or mace to add to its taste and flavor. Tea is a must of after a plate of spicy snacks, especially in the morning and evenings. Some connoisseurs relish delicately flavored jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea, and even iced tea. How about you? Here, the last paragraph is about India. We come to know that in India, tea is offered to guests or visitors as a token of hospitality. Hospitality means रिस्पेक्ट फॉर विजिटर्स. आपण मराठीत त्याला आदरातिथ्य म्हणतो, पाहुणचार. टोकन ऑफ हॉस्पिटॅलिटी. इवन इन हम्बलेस्ट ऑफ होम्स. मोस्ट इंडियन्स लाईक देअर टी हॉट. मीन्स इंडियन्स have their tea hot with good deal of milk and sugar. In rainy season, ginger, cardamom, cloves also add to give taste and flavor. They can add cardamom. Cardamom means विलायची, वेलची, वेलदोडा. Cloves, lavang. Or mace. Mace means jaipatri, a kind of spice which give taste and flavor as well as medicinal properties. Tea is taken in the morning and evening after a spicy snacks. नाश्त्यानंतर सकाळी आणि संध्याकाळी भारतामध्ये चहा घेतला जातो. Some connoisseurs. Connoisseurs म्हणजे connoisseur, a person who is especially competent to pass critical judgment in matters of taste. त्याला आपण शौकीन, चहाचा शौकीन किंवा पारखी किंवा रसिक म्हणतो. अँड रेलिश मीन्स टू एन्जॉय टेस्ट, मोठ्या आवडीने रसास्वाद घेणे. भारतामध्ये अनेक असे चहाचे शौकीन आहेत, चहाचे रसिक आहेत, जे मोठ्या आनंदाने चहाचा आस्वाद घेतात. आणि त्यामध्ये मग जस्मिन टी, ग्रीन टी, लेमन टी अँड इवन आईस टी मीन्स कोल्ड टी घेण्याचा त्यांचा प्रयत्न असतो किंवा ते घेतात. इन दिस वे we have completed this lesson. So students, please see the questions. See the questions in the margin. First question, what does tea contain? What does it cannot contain? Tea contains theanine and caffeine. Tea does not contain carbohydrates, fat or protein. Who was Emperor Shennong? Emperor Shennong was the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine. And why did he carry out further investigation about tea? See the answer given here. He carried out further investigation to discovered that tea had many healing and restorative properties. And also, what is next question? How did tea reach other parts of the world? See the answer. The Buddhist monk Bodhidharma, who introduced tea among his disciples in China. Japanese priests studying under Buddhist teachers in China carried tea seeds and leaves back home with them. Turkish traders also began to bargain for tea on the border of Mongolia. In this way, tea reached other parts of the world. Next question. What is the difference between legends or stories and history? The words legends or stories are mostly imaginary. They described some events or famous personalities in the past. History is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs. This is the difference between legends or stories. Next question. Can you guess the origin of the Marathi word chaha? And what will the answer? Chinese character was first used to describe the tea, but later new character cha was developed. It is very close to the Hindi word chai. By changing the name slightly, chaha was used in Marathi. In this way, we called tea chaha in Marathi. What is the difference between claim and fact? See the answer. The difference between claimed and the fact is that claim means the statement of truth that has to be verified, and fact means reality. Do you have any ceremonies associated with food items? What will the answer? The answer is actually we don't have any ceremony that directly associated with food items. But on some festivals, Indians prepare some special food items, just as Puran Poli. Next, what are the good qualities of tea? Tea has many good qualities. It is healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink. We can say tea is full of good quality. Why are the cups only half filled in Chinese tea ceremonies? And the answer is, at tea ceremonies in China, cups are only half filled. The China because they believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. In this way, we have completed